Okay, it is the 6th of March and this is the area I have decided that I am going to build my waterfall in my dam. George is coming to help me, I don't think. So as you can see, it comes down from the valley, so I thought that's why that's a great place to have your waterfall. And if you have a look, it's just dry. Like, it is just dry clay that needs some loving. So my first thing I'm going to do, because it's still quite dry here, we're still not getting any rain, so I don't want to plant anything. So what I'm doing is I'm going to start with the rocks. I collected these rocks out of my paddock, and I've got some over there in my car, and so I am just going to start putting rocks here, and then once the rain starts, then I'll add some plants. But I have no idea what I'm doing, no idea at all. I am just going to see how this goes. So this is the start of my beautiful waterfall. Let's begin.